Frame. The time frame was revised, and they made an extension of 3 months. Yes, due to the festive period and also other delays in weather that was affecting us in the last year.
It's an old but strong bridge, so people shouldn't get worried a lot. I think very soon this bridge will be completed, and then trucks will start moving slowly. My only problem is when it rains, normally the road becomes slippery, and it becomes a big problem. At one time, I spent 6 hours at the border.